Oh, where are you going? I guess not. Hey guys, today's video we are going to be changing Daisy's Cage Trump Her Christmas theme into this theme that you guys see on here, which is actually not really a theme, but yeah, I just wanted to make this little intro for this video for you guys, and let's just get right into it.
I can only imagine how it is to be with you. From the first day I saw your face, I knew this love was true. But you already taken, nothing I can do. So I can only imagine how it is to be with you. I can only imagine us both loving through the night. I can only imagine us together side by side. I can only imagine we're dancing in the moonlight. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. To know if you will be my favorite song, my little melody. If we could be a symphony, then we would be a perfect harmony. I don't want to live this way. I really wish we never out of sight and out of mind.
Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and give this video a like to help it do better in the searches so that more people can see it. You guys can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram, which are just at Curtis Lasane, just like on my YouTube. Very, very simple. And if you guys have any video suggestions, you can leave those down below or any other comment, because I respond to all of my comments. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.
I can only imagine a world dancing in the moonlight. I can only imagine. I can only imagine.